number 1, which is Tasi.
Tasi.
Number 2, which is Lua.
Lua.
Number 3, which is Tolu.
Tolu.
Number 4, which is Fa.
Fa.
So what have we got there? Can you see? What have we got on the numbers? They got mouths, yeah? Yeah, so on our face we have a mouth, but we also need some eyes, yeah? So we're going to use our stickers for our mata, okay? So our first number is, what's this number?
1.
1, Tasi. So how many is Tasi?
1.
1. So we need to pick one eye. Can you get an eye off that one? Okay, tell them I'm going to stick it here. Show everyone your Tasi eye. Tasi mata. Okay. Tell them stick it high. So we got Tasi mata. What color is that?
Red.
Lanu mumu. Okay, our next number. What's our next number?
2.
2. Lua.
Lua. Lua.
Tasi. And Lua. Where's Lua?
Huh?
Okay.
Here.
This is Lua here. So let's show everyone our Lua mata. Okay. So we got Lua mata. So we got Lanu Moana and Lanu Sama.
Sama.
So our next numera is
3.
Tolu. So how many is Tolu? We got Tasi, Lua, Tolu. Yeah, we're gonna pick out Tolu mata. 3 eyes. Oop, oop. On that side. It's a bit stuck. There it is. Got it? Okay, so we got Tasi. Lua.
2.
Tolu. Let's show everyone. Tolu. Tolu mata. Lanu. What color? What colors are they?
Green.
Green, which is Nanu.
Nanu.
Nanu mea mata.
Mata.
Okay, now our last numera is Fa. Are you ready? Which one? Okay, Tasi. Lua. Tolu. Oh, try from the other side. Let me try that one.
Oh, what? I'll do red.
Okay. Fa. So, we've got Tasi, Lua, Tolu, Fa. We've got Lanu Moana
Wada.
and Lanu Mumu.
Namamu.
So we got Tasi,
Tasi.
Lua,
Lua.
Tolu,
Tolu.
Fa.
Fa.
Tele, Fafta Lava.